Hello everyone, I am Sayed Zoya. Today we discuss about probability. Let's see what is probability. Probability is a branch of mathematics and statistics concerning events and numerical description of how likely they are to occur. The probability of an event is a number between 0 and 1. The larger probability, the more likely an event is to occur. For example, coin toss. The probability of flipping a coin and getting heads is 1 by 2 or 50% because there is one head and two possible outcomes which are head or tails. For example, rolling a die. The probability of rolling a 6 on a standard 6-sided die is 1 by 6 because there is 1 6 and 6 total possible outcomes which are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Let's see what is random experiment. An experiment in which all possible outcomes are known and exact outcome cannot be predicted in advance in random experiment. For example, toss a coin. Possibilities are head or tail. The outcome can be either heads or tails, but you can't predict which side will land up before tossing the coin. What is sample space? Sample space is a set of all possible outcomes of an random experiment is a sample space. For example, toss a coin. Possibilities are head and tail. Toss two coins. Possibilities are 4. Head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail. Roller dice. Possibilities are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is event? Every non-empty subset of a sample space of a random experiment is called event. Example of event: when we toss two coins, sample space is head head, head tail, tail head and tail tail. 4 possibilities. Getting two heads in an event is equal to head head. Getting exactly one head in event is head tail and tail head. For example, a bag contains 20 tickets marked with number 1 to 20. One ticket is drawn at random. Find the probability that it will be multiple of first 2 or 5 and second 3 or 5. Solution: one ticket can be drawn out of 20 tickets through 20C1 is equal to 20 ways. So the exhaustive number of cases will be n is equal to 20. First, number of cases favorable to getting the ticket number which is multiple of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 20. Total possibilities are 10. Multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15 and 20. Total possibilities are 4. There is 4 cases. Out of these 2 cases 10 and 20 are duplicated. इन दोनों में से 10 और 20 कॉमन है. तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 और 5 आर 10 plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 12. Means multiple of 2 are 10 cases plus multiple of 5 are 4 cases minus 2 which are duplicate number 10 and 20 is equal to 12. Here hence the required probability is equal to 12 upon 20 is equal to 3 by 5. Second, the case favorable to getting multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. 6 cases in all. Multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15 and 20. There are 5 cases in all. Then duplicate number is 15. कॉमन नंबर इन दोनों में से होगा 15. तो 3 और 5 is 6 plus 4 minus 1. 6 cases is multiple of 3. 4 cases is multiple of 5 and minus 1 is duplicate is equal to 9. Hence, the required probability is equal to 9 by 20. Next example. What is the chance that a non-leap year should have 53 Sundays? A non-leap year contains 365 days. That is 52 full weeks and 1 overday. A non-leap year will contain 53 Sundays if this overday is Sunday. This overday can be any one of the following possible outcomes: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. 7 outcomes in all. Of these, the number of ways favorable to required event, the overday being Sunday, is 1. So required probability is equal to 1 by 7. Total days are 7 और दोनों में से कोई एक हो सकता संडे, तो probability is 1 by 7. Next example. If a fair coin is tossed 4 times, define the sample space corresponding to this random experiment. Also, give the subset corresponding to the following events and find the respective probabilities. First, more heads than tails are obtained. Tails occur the even number tosses. Here, the sample space will be as is equal to all the possibilities are 16. टॉस उड़ाने के बाद 4 टाइम्स टॉस उड़ाने के बाद कॉइन टॉस करने के बाद जितने भी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ आएंगे वो हम लिखेंगे सैम्पल स्पेस में, जो कि है 16. देन एस इज इक्वल टू 16. लेट ए बी द इवेंट इन विच मोर हेड्स ऑकर दैन टेल्स. देन ए जिसमें ज़्यादा हेड होने चाहिए टेल से, तो पॉसिबिलिटीज़ आर 5. Then A is equal to 5. Let B the event in which the tails occur in the second and fourth tosses. Then B is equal to इसमें आएंगे 4 पॉसिबिलिटीज़ जिसमें टेल्स सेकेंड और फोर्थ पोजीशन पे होना चाहिए, जैसे कि एच टी एच टी, एच टी टी टी, टी टी एच टी एंड टी 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 टी. B is equal to 4. Then formula is P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. N of A, what is N of A? A is equal to 5 and N of S, total sample space is 16. Then answer is P of A is 5 by 16. P of B, N of B upon N of S. What is N of B? N of B is 4. B is equal to 4. Then total sample space will be 16. 4 by 16 is equal to 1 by 4. P of B is 1 by 4. Last example. A box contains 4 bad and 6 good tubes. 2 are drawn out from the box at a time. One of them is tested and found to be good. What is probability that the other one is also good? Let be an event in which of the tubes drawn is good. Let be an event in which the other tube drawn is good. Then P of A intersection B is equal to P of both tubes drawn are good. Then हमें वैसे ट्यूब्स लेने हैं जिसमें दोनों ट्यूब्स ड्रॉ करने के बाद गुड आने चाहिए. देन पॉसिबिलिटीज़ आर 6/6C2, वो 6 में से भी हो सकता या फिर 10 में से भी हो सकता, तो आएगा 6C2 एंड 62 by 10C2 is equal to 1 by 3. Knowing that one tube is good, the conditional probability that the other tube is also good is required. P of B by A is required to be found out. Then by definition we have P of B by A is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of A. Then answer will be 1 by 3 upon 1 by 3. A intersection B क्या है? 1 by 3 जो हमने अभी ऊपर निकाला by 6 by 10 is equal to answer will be 5 by 9. P of B by A is equal to 5 by 9. Thank you for watching the video.